Okay, this is the electrical panel. This is the first main frame where the power comes in, just a throw-down switch. This is simply the transformer that brings the power in at the voltage and kicks it down to the 480 volts US Mexican voltage, and that's what the machine all is Mexican US voltage. Most are 220, 240, but the big motor is 480. Each one of these AC drives controls different motors. You can see when it says alignment belt, that's your singulator belt. That's the left one. Here's a singulator belt for the right one. These are the power rollers, which we're feeding in. Then we have the next ones. They're not marked, but we'll set them up. Here's your soft drops, for your brushes that carry the product down. Exit rollers, which are your conveyors that inch the product out, the inching conveyors. This major one here, this is for the main machine itself, to speed it up or slow it down. The numbers on there are the number of hertz we're running at. Typically the machine runs at 60 hertz full out. So this one here we run at half capacity. If we were doing real small stuff, you run at full capacity, etc. And remember, you got to keep your alignment belts sped up to be able to feed your higher percentages. Let's take a look at the machine running then. I will take there's safety devices all over the place here, so when we turn this thing on, we basically go to the on switch and we push it. That buzzer sounds, light comes on, says we're ready to go. We turn it on, and now all of our AC drives are kicking in, and they start turning on, and they go to they ramp up slowly to the speeds, so nothing fires up too quickly. Elevator is no longer here, pump is no longer here, and sponge rollers, that was the water. That was all to do with our water dump, and everything else is in gear. So some of these things we're not using, so we leave those three off. And then we can change speeds. Like we said before, you have your alignment belts. These are almost exactly the same speed. We didn't have a lot of reason to knock things down because they were flowing evenly. But if you want, you can put a big spread in there to really knock things down. We'll keep the machine running. You can see the machine's running right now at 35 hertz, which is slower than we normally run it. But it's fast enough to be able to see what's going on. We will take a look. We can also turn the machine on or off from the machine point. So now we're going to start here and show the product on, and then I'll move quickly to show the transition that's going through.